Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something very special, very close to my heart. If you grew up in a Bengali home, this dish already feels familiar, right? And if you don't, trust me, this is comfort in its purest form. This is Nolen Gur Payesh, the kind that fills the house with warmth. শীতের সকালের একদম perfect dish. So let's get started. First, I am taking Gobindobhog rice. It's a short grain fragment rice and honestly the soul of a good payesh. Once it cooks in milk, the aroma is just beautiful. If you don't have Gobindobhog rice, you can use any basmati or any short grain rice. And इसको हम अच्छे से wash करके 30 minutes के लिए soak करेंगे. And here I am taking soaking cashews and raisins in water. This step makes them soft and plump. Chotto step but texture difference on it. Now into a pan I have taken 1.5 liters of full fat milk. Payesh needs patience, not speed. Low flame, slow boil, no shortcuts here. এখানে test build হয়. Look at how beautiful the rice has swelled. I am adding 3 tablespoons of ghee and mixing it well. Then I let it rest for about 15 minutes. A ghee marination টা trust me flavor টা next level এ নিয়ে যায়. Now the marinated rice goes straight on the simmering milk. Always keep the flame low. Let the rice cook slowly and release all its starch. धीरे धीरे magic होगा. So at this stage the rice should turn slightly mushy. Payesh is not about separate grains. It's about the creamy spoon coating texture. যতক্ষণ না এই consistencyটা আসে we'll have to keep it. We'll have to cook it. Now I go to the soaked cashews and raisins. They add softness, sweetness and little bites of joy. এটা ছাড়া payesh incomplete. You can obviously skip it, but I request you to obviously add it. It will definitely make a difference. This is the heart of the dish, Nolen Gur, date palm jaggery. I always lower the flame before adding it. The aroma at this moment is unreal. Winter in one spoon literally. Just look at this, the slow stirring, the shine, the thickness. This is where payesh turns into a feeling, finally poured into a bowl, pure comfort. This payesh is not just a dessert, it's memories, family and quiet winter evenings. মায়ের হাতে বানানো মতো একটা feeling. If this made you feel something, like, share and comment below if you liked it or not. It will really matter to me. And tell me তোমার বাড়িতে পায়েস কিভাবে বানানো হয়. See you soon in the next video and don't forget to comment below if you like a chilled one or the hot pouring payesh. I just love it the way it is made. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.